Couplets.
Farmer and tractor.
Farmer and tractor. Farmer and tractor.
Farmers often drive their tractors to plow the fields.
Police officer and police car.
Police officer and police car. Police officer and police car.
The police officer arrests a man outside of his police car.
Driver and truck.
Driver and truck. Driver and truck.
The woman prepares to enter her big truck. Teacher and school bus. Teacher and school bus.
The teacher is checking students getting on the school bus.
Farmer and tractor.
Farmer and tractor.
Police officer and police car.
Police officer and police car.
Driver and truck.
Driver and truck.
Teacher and school bus. Teacher and school bus.
Only.
About.
Seven. Only. About. Seven. Small. Start. Before.
Wild animals. Baboon.
Baboon. Baboon.
A baboon forms close bonds with other members of the troop.
Skunk.
Skunk. Skunk.
Some skunks make their home inside hollow trees. Lemur.
Lemur. Lemur.
The lemur has a very long tail. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog. Hedgehog. The body of the hedgehog is covered in short spines. Baboon.
Baboon. Skunk.
Skunk.
Lemur.
Lemur. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog. Uh. Up. Up. Unzip. Unzip. Unhappy. unhappy. Words start with U. Up, upside. Underline, unzip. Unhappy. Uppercase.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Fantastic!
Driver and truck.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Baboon.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job, lemur.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
That is right. Teacher and school bus. Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Fantastic! Farmer and tractor.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
You did it! Hedgehog.
Which one is?
7.
That is right.
Which one is?
Start.
Awesome! Hooray! You finished the lesson! Congratulations! You've earned a sticker! Play lessons to earn more stickers.